Hey everyone, today we learn how to convert any positive number into its negative counterpart using JavaScript. This is a simple yet useful task when working with numbers in calculations. Let's see how to do this with a neat little function. Our goal is straightforward. We take a positive number and convert it into the negative. This can be important in financial apps, physics simulations, or any way you need to flip signs. We want a safe, simple approach that handles inputs correctly. Here's our function. We use math abs to ensure that the number is positive, then negate it by adding a minus sign. This guarantees the output is always negative, even if the input was accidentally negative or zero. Simple, clean, and effective. The function first gets the absolute value to make sure it's positive. Then it negates it by adding the minus sign in front. This ensures we always return a negative number no matter what. Let's look at some examples. 15 becomes negative 15, 100 becomes negative 100, and even 0 stays as negative 0, which is just 0. This function handles all positive inputs smoothly. This kind of sign conversion is super useful in finance to show expenses, in physics for directional changes, and in data normalization. A simple utility like this keeps your code clean and consistent. Let's conclude. And that's all for converting positive numbers to negative in JavaScript. Just one line using matabs and negation makes it foolproof. Thanks for tuning in and keep coding with confidence. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.